Welcome to Ngobotonte Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobotonte Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Eloy Lupopo 5. My brother, how's it?
Good and you?
Good man. What's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Shilton.
Da. What's your take on the game today? How do you feel about the game?
My game was fine.
Yeah.
My game was fine. But not fine.
Yeah. Don't hold the mic. Yeah. You have been waiting here very long. You wanted to speak. You said you want to speak.
Yeah, my game was fine.
Yeah, why was it not fine? Oh, okay. Ikhulumeze ngani ngokuthi idliwe?
Mina ngizabona i-Highlanders.
Highlanders.
Yeah, ipose ngenkani.
Yakuphi?
Amahlolo nyama.
Yakuphi i-Highlanders?
Highlanders uzithole. I-Highlanders ipose ngenkani amahlolo nyama. Into le
Yeah, South Africa.
Cha. Igame impayisa kakhulu. Orlando Pirates impayisa kakhulu.
Okay, yeah.
Ngizwe ubuhlungu nge-Orlando Pirates.
Nqese.
And bengifisa ukuthi yana labe khona but into ekhona vele bengazi vele ngeke ilunge ngoba thina salimala kibo
Ngaphandle yango-3.
salimala kibo le ngaphandle
Yeah, kodwa
so lapha besingeke njani sikufisa lokho esikufisayo
Yeah, kodwa nizamile nashaya 3 goals nje.
hayi kodwa kube ngcono khona
Ngcono ne.
khona kube ngcono kodwa into ekhona ne ubuhlungu azakuphela isilonda siphela
Siphele ne. No, siyabonga futhi.
Ngiyabonga, Mntomdala.
All the best.
thank you
Thank you.